So now we have done with writing the test cases. Okay, so after writing the test cases, the next task would be executing it. Once the application is ready, once your AUT is ready, then you can perform testing activities on it. So for the testing activities, basically, whatever given in the step description, we need to perform that on the end application. I guess you people know it. Whenever we perform that on the end application, system should respond. So the respond we need to write in the actual one. If it is responding according to your expectation, then it's fine. If it is deviated from the expectation, let's assume that. Then what is the possible way? The next is we need to report it to the defect. We need to report the defect to the developer. The thing what we need to understand here is we are just the bug finders. We are going to just find the bug. You are not going to open a source code and you are not going to fix it anything on that. So simple as you get the bug, report it to the developer. So you and developer should be on a same channel, or else you should be in a communication zone. So a lot of people or lot of companies do use some automation bug reporting tools. Literally saying some tools like it may be a quality center, BUGZILLA, Zira, ClearQuest. There are a lot of tools in the market, free, paid, open source tools. They can use tools, or 90% of the companies uses tool to report the bug. But so if you want to report it manually, then we can report it using some Excel sheet or else using some Word document. So when the bug reporting comes into picture, when a particular event deviates from its expectation, then we need to report it to the bug. Then we need to report it as a bug to the developer. Okay. Now let's take this example which is on a screen, the test case 001. So let's assume that enter valid URL and we have clicked on go. System has displayed the home page. So this has been passed. So system had displayed home page of the bank. Perfect. And whenever you are trying to write the username and password of admin, even it has worked great without any problem. System had displayed. So every step up till 4 steps has been perfectly done. And whenever we have entered the data, validate and click on submit, system started throwing error message. System had displayed error message. So both are deviating. So here actually it should display a ID with a OK button, but unfortunately it is displaying like a error message. So something went wrong. So it has been failed. And all the steps has been passed, but still, if one step is failed, obviously we'll call it as a fail. So this test case has been failed. This test case has been literally failed. Why? Because it should display message saying that new branch created successfully with OK button, but it is displaying as some error message. So now it has been deviated, so we need to report it to the developer. So this is the incident actually what we report. So while reporting it, make sure to give as much as possible information, and before reporting it, make sure confirm it one more time, test it one more time. If it is a replicated bug, obviously we can find it for the next time too. Some bugs are not reproducible. If it is not reusable, specify the same thing to the developer saying that have identified the bug, but it is not a reproducible bug. For the next time, I couldn't have done that. Okay, next. Perfect. Yes, the point what we need to remember while reporting the bug, let me explain it. The bug report, the reporting what we are trying to do, it should be simple and clear. And we need to, while reporting the bug, even you need to reconfirm it once again. If it is a reproducible bug, we'll get it the things done now. And moreover, whenever you find a bug, it's good like take a screenshot of it, so that the developer gets a good idea on what exactly we are trying to report. And the steps to reproduce, or else the steps what we have done should be clearly mentioned to the developer, so that he uses the same steps to identify that bug. So let's assume that you have trying to do some X task. To do this X task, we'll be having multiple ways. You need to clearly mention that what way we have used to click on that. Let's assume that you are trying to test some order information in an e-commerce site. Order information in an e-commerce site. So we have multiple options for it. You can simply on the top of the e-commerce site there is a name. Just if you click on that your name, it will list it out with the previous orders. If you click on previous orders, then the previous orders will be displayed. In that, select the order and go ahead. This is one way. And next, directly there is an option to track your order. Just click on track your order and paste the tracking ID of your order. Then it will display your order details. So there are few ways. There will be multiple ways to display the order information. If that is the case, let developer know like what process you have used to move on to that page, so that even he uses same process to come to that page and have a look on the issue. Clear? Yes, this is very simple. So we need to give as much as an information to the developer so that he accepts the bug. That is the thing, so that he understands the bug. Leave about accepting and all the other things, but he need to understand the bug. So this is what the importance of the bug and bug reporting. So make sure that while giving the bug report, give as much as information, take a screenshot and try to write in a simpler and clear manner with a comprehensive writing techniques. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's see what are the fields we have in a bug reporting tool or in a bug reporting sheet. So after that I will explain you how to report the bugs using an Excel sheet. Thereafter in a quality center we'll be seeing how to report the bugs using quality center tool. And before that even we'll be seeing bug life cycle.